How to get moon mango. You can actually get moon mango completely for free in Grow a Garden right now by actually finishing this video. I'll be telling you all the methods that you can actually do to actually unlock yourself a free moon mango seed in Grow a Garden. This is probably one of the best seeds in the game right now, currently before the update of the bees. So if you do actually want to get this moon mango seed, you just simply go to the shop and you have to scroll the way down. As you guys can see, there is none on stock, but if you see there is a moon mango stock, this will cost you 1 billion. One seed will cost you 1 billion or 1000 Robux. So you can still buy it with Robux, which is kind of cool. You can still buy the Robux even though it's not on stock, and this is the last time you will see moon mango for this year, potentially ever. So this is the last time you will ever see moon mangoes. They will be removed forever. So if you do want to get yourself the moon mangoes, be sure to comment down below moon mango right now, because I'll be gifting one moon mango seed to you guys so you can actually buy one for yourself. Comment moon mango right now in the comments down below. Very simple. Moon mango. G'day, g'day, g'day. Oh, up, up.